Did you know you can make a beautiful transparent liquid soap at home using 3 ingredients? I've made this soap before and many of you asked, can it wash cars? Is it suitable for clothes and dishes? And can it be sold? Don't worry, I will answer all these questions as we go along. Let's begin by introducing our 3 major ingredients, which are Texapon, SLS, and then salt. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and affordability. Since I'm preparing 5 liters of transparent liquid soap today, the first step is to dissolve the SLS. I start by pouring a small amount of clean water into a bowl. Then I gradually add the 125 grams of SLS, stirring gently until it dissolves completely. Once fully dissolved, I set this solution aside. Now I'm introducing the color. Even though it's not part of the main ingredient, it helps make the soap more attractive. I'm dissolving it in a small amount of water so it blends evenly. Then I will set it aside for later use. First, I start by adding 250 grams of salt into a clean bowl. Then I introduce 250 grams of Texapon into the same bowl. At this stage, I mix both the salt and Texapon together properly until they are well combined. After that, I begin to gradually add clean water while stirring continuously. I don't add all the water at once. I pour it in little by little so it can dissolve properly and become smooth without lumps. After mixing the salt and Texapon properly and adding water gradually, I continue stirring until I get a smooth and well dissolved mixture. At this point, you will notice the texture starting to come together and become more uniform. Next, I bring in my previously prepared SLS solution. I pour it in while stirring continuously. This step is very important because it helps improve the foam, cleaning power, and overall quality of the liquid soap. As I keep mixing, I make sure everything blends properly so there is no lump or separation. Once I am satisfied with the consistency, I now introduce the color that I dissolved earlier in water. I pour it in gradually and stir so it spreads evenly throughout the mixture. This is what gives the soap its attractive appearance. So after mixing everything properly, I cover the container and allow the soap to rest. I usually leave it for several hours or overnight. This resting period is very important because it helps the soap become clearer, more stable, and fully developed. The final step is to add perfume for fragrance. But here is a very important trick if you want your soap to remain transparent. Do not pour the perfume directly into the main mixture. Instead, take a small portion of the soap into a separate bowl. Add your perfume to that small portion and stir it properly. After mixing it well, then you can pour it back into the main soap. This method helps to maintain the clarity of your liquid soap. If you add your perfume directly into the main mixture, it can make the soap cloudy or slightly watery. So this is a simple but very important trick for a clear and professional finish. Now let me quickly answer some of the common questions many of you asked from my previous video. 1. Can this liquid soap wash cars? Yes, it can be used for washing cars. It produces good foam and removes dirt effectively. However, it is always better to dilute it with water before use so it does not affect the car paint. 2. Is it suitable for clothes and dishes? Yes, this liquid soap is suitable for both clothes and dishes. It removes stains from clothes and also cleans plates and kitchen utensils very well by cutting through grease easily. Can it be sold? Yes, definitely. This soap is perfect for small-scale production. You can package it in small clean bottles, label it properly, and start selling it. Just make sure you maintain the right measurements and hygiene so your customer gets a quality product. And lastly, is it safe for everyday use? Yes, it is safe for general household cleaning purposes like washing, cleaning surfaces, and laundry use when properly diluted. And that's how you make a beautiful, transparent soap at home using just 3 simple ingredients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ese Can Cook for more easy DIY recipes like this. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.